Simple Mobile makes international calls affordable with add-on plans. To start, ensure you have a Simple Mobile SIM and active account. International calling avoids per-minute charges with optional add-ons purchased through the Simple Mobile app or website. These add-ons include options like the Global Connect Plus plan for $10 per month for unlimited calls to select countries like Mexico, India, and the Philippines, or daily bundles for $5 for 100 minutes to certain countries. First, download the Simple Mobile app for easy add-on activation. Finally, ensure international roaming is enabled, understanding that data fees may apply if not covered. Use VoIP apps like WhatsApp, integrated with Simple Mobile's service, for cost savings. To make an international call from the US with Simple Mobile, start by dialing 011, which is the US exit code. Then add the destination country code, followed by the area code and local number. For example, to call Mexico, dial 011 plus 52 for Mexico, then the area code and number. The Simple Mobile app includes a built-in validator to help prevent common dialing errors, such as forgetting the country code. For incoming calls while roaming internationally, no special codes are required. Consider this case. A user in Texas adds the $10 per month unlimited Mexico plan for daily calls to relatives. Using the app's quick dial feature, they save significantly compared to previous providers. Make sure to always check your Simple Mobile account or call customer service to ensure you have sufficient funds, international minutes, or are roaming in a supported country.